Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up council tax in your new home in the UK. So first head over to this link at gov.uk slash find dash local dash council. So the first step is you need to contact your local council and register your move-in. And from this website, first you need to find, of course, your local council. All you have to do is enter in your postcode. So here's a sample postcode and find your local council's website. So say for example, this is the website for the city of Westminster. So just click on it. So from your council's website, you have to look for something like register for council tax. And in our case, in the Westminster's website, we're just going to click on council tax. Then next is click on register for council tax. And from here, we're just going to complete the online form by clicking on this link. So proceed with register for council tax. And from here, just start your application by clicking on apply online. And from here, all you have to do is fill in the details that is being asked. So you will be asked information about you, address details, and of course your submission. To get started, make sure that you read the declaration form, then tick the box or the circle, I agree, then click on next. Enter details such as title, first name, surname, telephone number are required details that you should answer. Then proceed by clicking on next. You can also click on save to save your progress. Next is, of course, your address details. And once everything is done, just head over and submit your application. And after registering, your council will send you a blah. And after registration, your council will then send you a council tax bill by post or by email and let you choose how to pay. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!